Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am SYAZLIANA and today we are learning about iron. This is video for CHM 678. Here we are talking about iron, which is atomic symbol of Fe. The atomic weight of the iron is 55.8 gram per mole. The boiling point of iron is 2861 degrees Celsius and the melting point of iron is 1538 degrees Celsius. Well, weakness of iron is it is easy to corrode. The history of iron making started around 1500 BC. It was the Hittites of Mesopotamia who first started smelting iron. A study in the Journal of Archaeological Science, ancient Egyptian iron beads were found by the researchers around 3200 BC, and they found out that it was made from iron meteorites. Iron daggers were found in Egypt in the King Tut's tomb alongside with a solid gold dagger, and thus they believed that iron valued just as highly as the gold, which was so rare. Well, most of the weaponry were made from bronze and iron ingots, which is used for the trade. Then, from 1200 to 1000 century BC, transition happened from using bronze to iron tools and weapons. Carburization is the discovery of the transition from bronze to iron, which was process of adding carbon to the iron. The first person to explain the various types of iron in carburization was René Antoine Parchal de Réaumur in 1722. Iron was found as sponge iron with a mix of iron and slag with some carbon and hammered rapidly to free the slag and oxidize out carbon content, thus creating wrought iron. Nowadays, we can see many types of iron are being made, such as cast iron, pig iron, carbon steel, wrought iron, alloy steel, and also stainless steel. Some examples from iron. Firstly, as you can see here is bridges. Bridges are made from alloy steel. Alloy steels are stronger and tougher, which used in huge variety of applications such as making bridges. Alloy steel are made of iron, carbon, and other elements of metal such as vanadium, silicon, nickel, and more. Alloy steel also used in making gates and fences. Now, we can see example of stainless steel. Stainless steel mostly used in food processing. Here, we can see the process of making donuts. Stainless steel are made of iron mixed with carbon and other metals such as chromium to make it resistant to rust. other metals added to the stainless steel to enhance its strength and workability. Other applications of stainless steel is used in cooking apparatus such as cooking knife, fork and spoon, strainer, and also frying pan. This is because cooking apparatus must be used in stainless steel as to prevent corrosion happen. Self-made jewelry is also made from stainless steel, as it is very resistant to corrosion, thus it has the strength and workability to do so. It is also easier to shape it. Iron has its advantages, which is it is less brittle than stone, but compared to the wood or copper, it is extremely strong. It can handle in high temperature and it can easy to shape it using simple tools.